Good morning, Judge.
Hi.
I'm approaching on Jaime Estrada.
Okay,
He's here for a termination of PPI. Completed SOP. He said he's paid all the fees, but we're still waiting on certificates.
are you ready? Did you receive word that he's paid everything as well?
So the only thing about that, I've emailed it to Brenda. We are waiting on progress report from the CSO. As for an update, I've not received anything.
Okay, so do you have anywhere else to go?
I do have to run to ERD. What time does docket usually end?
But 12:30-ish,
Okay.
you know, I mean, today's a light day, so maybe 12.
Notice here how the judge is being flexible. Court dockets can stretch on for hours, but judges often try to balance efficiency with fairness, especially if someone's already complied with payment requirements. What do you think? Should courts show more leniency once fines are fully paid, or should the rules stay strict?
I don't know, we haven't gotten word. I guess we could roll it to tomorrow to see.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that if we, if I come back and we're still waiting, if we roll it, can we waive him just because he's here today? And
Does he have a receipt that he's paid?
I can
Have you asked him?
I-
Yeah, see if he, because they're gonna give him a receipt anytime you pay, you know? He should have a receipt.
Let me follow up.
Yeah,
with
see
him.
that, and then so that we know that he actually did pay, and then assuming that he did, then yeah, we'll waive tomorrow.
Okay.
Judge, can we, deal with the open boards?
Oh, come up, Mr. Lestrade. Let's do this. I'm not going to do anything until this lawyer gets here. All I know is he's got 3 open cases. They're all at 7503 because you continually take off. You come to court.
This is a huge red flag. 3 separate bonds at the same amount suggests a pattern. Skipping court isn't just inconvenient, it signals to the judge that you can't be trusted to follow through. If you were the judge, would you give this person another chance or shut the door on leniency?
When you want to come to court, you don't come to court.
People say don't come to court, he told my, the probation.
Let's wait for your lawyer to get here and we'll see. But all I know is you've got 3 open cases. All the bonds are 7503, which indicates to me that you've taken off 3 different times. So let's see. So just take a seat for me.
On the court for,
I mean, I'm not going to argue with you. I'm going to wait for your lawyer to get here and then we'll go from there.
okay,
But you're supposed to come to court when the reset says, not when you want to come to court.
no, he told me not to come to court, Judge. He said not.
You can come to court, right? But you're supposed to come to court when the reset says. And we have multiple instances of you not doing that.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know how else to say it.
But that-
So let's wait for your lawyer to get here and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Let's take a seat.
Judge, I already emailed him because he got one of the.
He got another new one, so hopefully and he's usually pretty good about showing up. So.
And after we're done with
Ray, ready? How are you? You know. Who do you want to talk about first?
Let's do a strap.
Okay, come up, Mr. Lestrade.
So Judge, there was misunderstanding on the case. So on his older cases, his appearance was waived. He wasn't required to come to court. It's when they did the new 2B on the new case, which I believe is beer and a bag of candy. And so that's when I tried to contact him to get him to come in. Couldn't get in contact with him. Then he had to schedule a court date for the old cases, and that's when the court revoked his bond based on those old cases. He said he received a letter, so he came in today to address the letter, obviously, and that's why he's here today.
So let's do probable cause on your newest case, because I don't know anything about it. Mr. Lestrap, you've now picked up a third theft case. You're now stand charged with another Class B misdemeanor. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, sir.
Yes, Judge. The officer was dispatched to a Walgreens in Harris County, Texas, and the complainant, the manager of the Walgreens, told officers that the defendant entered the store and proceeded to take several items, including a case of beer and a large pack of candy, and walked past all points of sale without paying. The complainant told the officers that most of the employees knew the defendant by name and sight.
Where is the trespass and the theft, the prior trespass and the prior theft? Can you tell me where those are?
They are also at a Walgreens. Let me see if it's the same location. It's the same location.
I told you when you first came here not to go back to the Walgreens. Not once, but twice. What should I do now, Mr. Lestrade? What should I do? You tell me.
Judge, just for the court's knowledge, my client is homeless. He doesn't have a place to stay, no employment. Has some assistance from his mom, but obviously that's not a whole lot. That's the number.
That mom over there?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's him. She at home.
Did you come with mom today?
No, sir. She at home.
I don't know what to tell you, but here in court, we have resources, right? If you want resources, we're happy to give it to you. We had a kid in here yesterday, giving him resources to get a phone and a tablet. If you want a place to stay, we can find you a place to stay. If you want something to eat, we can get you something to eat.
Yes, sir.
But how on earth can I continue to let you go when
This is where frustration boils over. The judge is basically saying, you've been warned, you keep repeating the same mistake, and now the court's patience has run out. It raises a bigger question: how much responsibility should the justice system take in addressing poverty-driven crimes versus simply punishing them?
number one, you don't come to court. Number two, you continue to go to the place we tell you not to go. Number three, you continue to pick up cases when we tell you not to, over a damn case of beer and a large pack of candy. Mr. Lestrade, they know you at that Walgreens. Every single time you go back to that Walgreens, you have about every single eye in the sky looking at you every 15 ways from Sunday, watching your every move.
Yes, sir.
Ray, I'm sorry. I'm not going to give another PR bump. You know, perhaps, I don't know, but you're not getting it.
Can we at least address the bond, though, Judge? Because I believe the bond's at
Absolutely happy to. I agree that they're high. And what do you think?
Judge, I'd be asking for 500 on each case.
Okay, done. But the revolving door closes today.
Yes, sir.
It goes with you. I'm with you, though. 500.
Appreciate it.
We're saying the bonds, all of them.